Today, we're going to learn a new word of the day. But before we do that, let's refresh our memories about what a closed syllable is. Here is a little chart to help us. A closed syllable has to follow these 3 rules. A closed syllable has to have one vowel. Remember our vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A closed syllable has a vowel that is closed in by one or more consonants. Here's the word bet. Do you see how the vowel E is being closed in by the T, the consonant? That's right. So here we know that they pass both these rules. Now we look at the third one and it says the vowel makes the short sound. We know that if there's one vowel in the word and it's closed off by one or more consonants, that what's going to happen? It's going to have the E make the eh sound, the short sound. These 3 stars will help us decide if a syllable is closed. Now we're ready to review our word of the day from the beginning of the week. We learned the word block. We can tap that word out. B-L-A-K, block. Do you remember what block means? Block can mean more than one thing. Block can mean the city block, the city street that you live on. Block can be something you build with or play with. There is more than one meaning for this word block. I see that we marked up this word together. We marked up the blend. We marked up the digraph. And then we added our new marking for a closed syllable. We underlined the whole word. We added a C for closed. And this symbol to show that the O will make the short sound ah. A closed syllable follows these 3 rules. When it follows these three rules, we use this new marking. So now let's learn a new word of the day. Our word of the day is do you know this word? Act. Let's put our elbows up and tap it. Act. Act. Wow. C and T together is a tricky blend. Act. It really blends closely together. This word is act. Do you know what this word means? This word is another word like block that it has more than one meaning. It can mean you are acting like an actress or an actor in a play or a show. You're putting on a performance. Or it could mean how your behavior is. Act is a word that can mean more than one thing. So now we have 2 words of the day. It's time to mark this one up. First off, we see a blend. CT is a tricky blend, but we should still mark that up. Beautiful. Now, we need to check if this is a closed syllable. Let's use our 3 stars to do that. It has only one vowel. Let's check it out. That's true. It has the vowel A. Okay, so far so good. The vowel is closed in by one or more consonants. Let's check if the vowel is being closed off by one or more consonants. Are you ready? That's right. It is being closed off. The C and the T is closing off the vowel A, which means the 3rd star. The vowel is going to make the short sound. Ah. Act. Is this a closed syllable word? It is, which means we have to add our new marking. Are you ready? The first thing you do is put a line or a scoop under the whole word. The next thing you do to show a closed syllable is to put a C for the word closed under the line. And lastly, you put this symbol above the A to show it makes the short A sound in the word act. Correct. In the word act, it follows the rules to be a closed syllable word. Good job learning a new word of the day. In your notebook, I want you guys to write down the 2 words of the week so far and mark them up, showing us you understand what a closed syllable is.